Ever felt that sudden pang of dread when you go to log into an app and realize you have absolutely no idea what your password is? Or maybe you just got a new phone and all your saved logins decided to take a vacation without you. We've all been there. It's that frustrating dance between guessing common variations, checking old notebooks, and eventually admitting defeat. And when it comes to an app like Beforepay, where quick access to your finances is key, a forgotten password can feel like a real roadblock. Beforepay is designed to be a lifesaver, providing early access to your earned wages when you need them most. It's about bridging the gap between paychecks, helping you cover unexpected expenses, or simply managing your cash flow more effectively. But what happens when the very tool meant to ease your financial stress suddenly becomes a source of it because you can't get in? A forgotten password can interrupt your ability to access those funds, causing unnecessary delays and frustration. It's a common scenario, and thankfully, Beforepay has a straightforward process to get you back on track. You might be wondering, is it going to be a complicated multi-step verification process? Do I need to dig out obscure account details from when I first signed up? The good news is, resetting your Beforepay password is designed to be as simple and secure as possible, getting you back to managing your money with minimal fuss. So, let's cut to the chase and walk through exactly how to regain access to your Beforepay account if you've forgotten your password. It's a pretty intuitive process, and you'll find it quite similar to how many other secure apps handle password resets. First things first, open the Beforepay app on your smartphone. When you're on the login screen, you'll typically see an option along the lines of Forgot Password or Reset Password. This is your golden ticket. Tap on it. The app will then prompt you to enter the email address associated with your Beforepay account. It's crucial to use the email you registered with, as this is how Beforepay verifies your identity and sends you the necessary reset link or code. Once you've entered your email, hit Submit or Continue. Now, here's where you'll need to switch gears. Head over to your email inbox. Beforepay will send you an email containing a link or a verification code. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can reset your password. If you don't see the email right away, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes these automated emails can end up there. Once you've opened the email, click on the provided reset link. This link will usually take you back to the Beforepay app or to a secure web page within your browser where you can set a new password. If you received a verification code instead, you'll need to enter that code back into the app when prompted. You'll then be asked to create a new password. Make sure this new password is strong and unique. A combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good idea. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Confirm your new password by entering it a second time, and then hit Save or Reset. And just like that, you're back in. You should now be able to log into your Beforepay account with your shiny new password. It's a quick, secure, and straightforward process designed to minimize any disruption to your financial access. Remember, if you ever run into any issues during this process, Beforepay's customer support is always there to help guide you through it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.